Master the art of eating with chopsticks in just 3 minutes. Imagine those two slender sticks that have been gracing Asian dining tables since Neolithic China can be your new utensil of mastery. Not just a tool, they're a passport to the rich and diverse world of Asian cuisine. Now let's talk basics. First off, it's all about the grip. Secure one stick firmly, let the other move like a writing pen. Got it? Great. Now envision a pincer. That's your goal. Pinch those morsels of deliciousness like a pro. Remember, it's a game of dexterity and finesse, not strength. Practice, practice, practice. Now that you've got a handle on the basics, let's take this to the next level. But wait, there's more to chopsticks than just picking up food. It's a dance of etiquette, a symphony of cultural norms that vary from one Asian country to another. So let's dive into the do's and don'ts of chopstick etiquette. One rule that's universal across all cultures is to avoid sticking chopsticks upright in your food. It's seen as disrespectful and is likened to a ritual for the dead in some places. So unless you're looking to spook your dinner companions, keep those sticks laying flat when not in use. Another faux pas is rubbing your chopsticks together. It's like saying the restaurant's chopsticks aren't up to your standards. Talk about a mood killer, right? So do yourself a favor and keep those sticks apart until you're ready to chow down. Communal eating is a big part of Asian cultures. The rule here is to use separate utensils for communal dishes. Double dipping with your own chopsticks? That's a no-go, folks. Now let's take a detour to Korea, where spoons are used alongside chopsticks. The chopsticks are primarily for side dishes, while the spoons scoop up the rice and soup. And don't even think about lifting that rice bowl off the table. It's considered bad manners. Remember, when it comes to chopsticks, it's not just about technique, but also etiquette. So, you've mastered the technique and the etiquette, but did you know that chopsticks are more than just utensils? Indeed, they are an integral part of the Asian cultural fabric with origins dating back to Neolithic China. These slender pairs of equal-length sticks have witnessed the passage of history, evolving with the societies that use them. In the rich tapestry of Asian cultures, chopsticks are more than just tools for eating. They are symbols of precision, versatility, and a testament to the dexterity of the human hand. Each culture has its own unique customs related to chopsticks. For instance, the use of spoons in Korea, or the etiquette of not lifting rice bowls. These traditions are deeply embedded in the cultural psyche, passed down from generation to generation, carrying with them stories of a time long past. So every time you pick up a pair of chopsticks, you're not just engaging in the act of eating. You're participating in a cultural experience, a ritual, if you will, that spans thousands of years. So there you have it. You're now well on your way to becoming a chopstick pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so grab a pair of chopsticks and start practicing.